Oh, it's you. What's up, everybody? This is cabin 7234 on the Carnival Breeze. In this closet area, you got, well, closet stuff. You got shelves for all your stuff. Life jacket. On this side, you got your hangers. There's a handful of hangers. Oh, we got about 10, 12 hangers, so you may want to bring more if you need to. The hangers on that side and on this side. A little bit more of the same. You got some shelves in here. Just like that. Some shelves. And then on this side, hangers. Well, more hangers. So maybe you don't need more. So, first time I'm looking at this. And then of course behind me there's a mirror that we can look at yourself. If you walk to your left, my right, your left, you got the bathroom right here. The bathroom has a shower, bathtub, and it's supposed to do the whirlpool stuff in there. Now, I'm a big guy. I'm 6'4", about 300 blah blah pounds, and well, you know, this is what you're looking at. Shower head. In case you forgot your soap, you got soap. These actually smell pretty good. I actually like these. If you've never been on a cruise ship before, get used to this sound. It's actually a really cool sound when there's something in there. Got 2 sinks. Got the soap thing right here, trash. Put something in there if you want to. And you can put something in there. There's like some sanitary disposal crap, whatever that means, I guess, if you get seasick. This is a power source right here. Towels and all that kind of good stuff. There's a step down. It's almost like a half a foot step. So be careful, get used to that. You'll stub your toe. The switch for the bathroom is right there. So if you come in here to the bathroom for your first time and you close the door like this and you're dark, you can't see nothing. It's because it's outside. Thermostat right here. Cold, preferably. Good luck on that. You got this. This is like my favorite piece right here. It's one of those. Whatever one of those is, it's one of those. And that's actually inspiring me to be an artist. Over here you got a TV. It's not really worth a darn, in my opinion. But underneath here, this is where your refrigerator's at. You put some cold drinks in there. About how you're going to fit some in there. You can put all your mayonnaise and condiments up. You know, all the stuff you want to put up in there if you want to. More stuff, you can put water in there, snacks, whatever you got. This is for ice. You could always request for some ice. These lights, switch on just like that. Now this is my first time looking at this, so don't ask me to be an expert. Got more pillows underneath this couch here. Pillows underneath the couch. Over here on this side, you've got a 230 for whatever you want that for. I mean, it's America, for crying out loud, so we don't use this stuff like that. But you got your 120s right here. Right here is your safe. This I'll probably get a lot of good use out of. This is probably my most favorite part right here. Also, this is something new if you're post-pandemic. If you're hungry or whatever, get used to those things right there. I haven't really fooled with that much. I have scanned it. Looks like it's going to be pretty easy. So get used to the QR codes. Chair, big man friendly. I like to sit here and hike up my legs right there and all that. I mean, I'm acting like I'm an expert on here. We only been here for like 2 hours. Before we go outside, I know because that's what y'all are really looking forward to. My opinion, between the Breeze and the Dream Suite, for the Ocean Suite, I do think that the Dream is better because there's usually mirrors on this back wall. And there's nothing there. I think maybe they should have put maybe another one of these or something, or some mirrors, that way you can look at yourself. Makes it look bigger, I think. But obviously you got your, plenty of mirrors, or windows. But you come over here, kind of looks like the price is right or something. It gets pretty dark in here. So if you're wanting to take a nap in the middle of the day, pretty good, you can do that. Let's step outside. So out here on the deck, this is where my camera lady likes to lay out and have her pillow out here and take a nap. So you got a lounger, 2 chairs, and a table right here. And if you look out here, look to your right over here, and there's the bridge. That's how close you are to the bridge. And if you pan over here to the left, you have to go about midship to get to your first hot tub. So if you've experienced some of these ships, it gets kind of loud around the hot tubs. Right here, you can kind of tell that's where all the loungers start right here. So obviously we haven't been anywhere yet on it. We just got on here, so we don't know how loud it's going to be at night. We're used to staying midship, so sometimes it could be kind of loud, but not too bad. But that's what it looks like out here on the balcony. So this is in Galveston, Texas, if you're watching this. But anyway, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, just leave a comment in the comment section. I'll try to help you out. So thanks for watching.